So, hi everyone, my name is Afner, and today we're going to be talking about this one radio button project that I made. Okay, so for this radio button project, what we're going to be doing is last time we did how to make a radio button, so I think this is similar to you. Okay, for the ones that watched that last video on how to make a radio button, okay. Okay, let's check here. We start with the radio button. You don't know how to make the string variable. This means string var over here means string variable. This thing over here means string variable. So we have to pack all these radio buttons, right? And the label, select color. This is easy for you, right? Because you already know how to make the label and the radio button for the ones that watched my video last time. Then we make a button submit command is display. This is the function that's on top here. Display on line 3 to 5, right? Then pack this button and window.main. So if we talk about the function now, we always do this. Selected color equals to x.get. This is a string variable, so we're gonna do x.get, okay? Then message box show info selected color string formatting selected color, which is over here. Now, okay, we also need the from thing to import message box for this one too, right? And the import thing to has TK for it to work. So let's run the code. Okay. So if we say red, it says red. Yellow says yellow. Blue, blue. And green, green. Okay? So it's really easy, right? About making this project. It's easy if you only know the mathematics of how to do this. Because coding is just mathematics. Nothing else but just mathematics. That's what it is. It includes mathematics, like how to make pyramids, all those shapes, and all of that. Okay? So, thank you everyone for listening about how to make this radio button project. Feel free if you have any questions. I hope you like it and bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.